How's it going, everyone? In today's episode I'm going to show you how to use this auto-tune app over here called Voloco.
I don't know what to say anymore, but you could realize when you see me walking out of that door. I know
Okay, so you can see first of all what you want to do. Go to key here. You want it in about A or B minor. Well, this is what I like to do anyway. Effect. Natural tune. You have all these other ones over here as well, but these will cost a little bit of money. You can do free trials, but remember they will take money at the end. We've got the mix. Depends how you want to do it. What I like to do sometimes is if I'm making a song on my PC, you can turn the track volume right down. So then you just got the vocals. Works out pretty good. EQ reverb. I like to go for large hall. Equalizer, sibilance cut, and compressor bypass. Now, I'll show you what it sounds like. Now, just so you know, this will work better with headphones on this app. Going to test it out. You can add a beat. I've already added one here. If you go here, you can add your own beats, which is pretty cool. A nice amount you can choose from here. I'll try this one out, guys.
sometimes you might not know. People see me the way I go. I don't know what to say anymore, but you could realize when you see me walking out of that door. I know people hear me all the time, I say, and it might be just fine, but you will realize why. And then I'm never gonna realize people might not see the way I used to go. Looking at me the way I used to show, might not realize what I'm gonna do now. Oh, what to do now, when will you see what to say? Probably not now or not, then you might just say, I know this song is pretty bad, but it's the only way that I can show you people the way it sounds. Way it sounds, the way it sounds, I mean that's the way it sounds. Not too bad the way it goes, yo. That is the way I'm gonna show you, but maybe I should stop doing it now.
Well, there it is, guys. I hope you liked this random video. Just thought it might help a few people. I know it's a bit different to the usual videos over here. If you get a chance, like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.